All right, YouTube, Nathan's frozen cocktail franks, pigs in a blanket, and they go really good in the air fryer. All right, YouTube, so that's what they look like. They come in trays like this, so you're going to just want to put them in your air fryer with a liner. All right, YouTube, so we have the pigs in a blanket in there. Now you're going to want to use the bake function on your air fryer. All right, so they're in there. Push it in there. You're going to want to hit bake. Time, 16 minutes. Temperature, 400. And let it start up and go. And in 16 minutes, you'll have great pigs in a blanket. All right, YouTube, and there it is. After 16 minutes, your Nathan's pigs in a blanket, cocktail franks. And like I said, they come in trays like this. But look at that. Welcome to Air Fryer Tuesday. Please hit like, subscribe, and much more to come.